Zojirushi EC DAC 50 Zutto has a near perfect 5-star rating, making it one of the best coffee brewers on the market. It's also fairly cheap, putting it within most people's budget. It's a drip coffee machine with a 5-cup capacity and is perfect for a morning cup of coffee. The Zutto coffee maker truly is a work of art. The filter actually sits inside the decanter to make the machine more compact. The reservoir can be removed, allowing you to fill up the tank at the sink, so you don't have to risk spilling water all over the machine. The coffee grounds sit inside the carafe, which means there's no chance of coffee dripping onto the warming plate. It has a simple yet elegant design with a soft grey colour to it. It also makes great coffee. The EC DAC 50 comes with a measuring spoon, water filter and user manual.